What is a quadratic equation? A quadratic equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 2. In a quadratic equation, there are variables and they are constant. Now, take for example, we have this 4e squared minus 20e plus 25 is equal to 0. How do we go about this quadratic equation? We have variable. E is a variable. E raised to power 2 is coming down to raised to power 1 and it's coming down to what? Raised to e raised to power 0. And anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Now, how do we do how do how do we deal with this? First step, we say 4e squared times plus 25. This is the first step. That will give me 100 e. 4e squared times 25 will give me 100 e squared. 25 times 4 is 100 e squared. Now, if we know that, now we are going to look for two factors such that if we multiply these two factors together, we'll get plus 100 e squared. And if we add these two factors together, we'll get minus 20e. So what are these factors? Now, to get the factors, we need to what? To play with the factor, to play with 100 as a number. 2 in 100 is 50, 2 in 50 is 25, 5 in 25 is 5, 5 here 1. Now we have 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. That gives us 100. Now we are going to try like this. If we say 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 5, 10, we already have the factor. Now, minus 10, minus 10. These are the factors. Minus 10 will give us minus 20e. Minus 10e minus 20 minus 10e will give us what? Minus 20e. Now, minus 10e times minus 10e will give us what? Plus 100e squared. Now, let's go. Solving it. 4e squared minus 10e minus 10e plus 25 is equal to 0. Now, let's take it in twos. We have 4e squared and what? Minus 10e. So, what are the factors of this and this? 4e squared and 10e. We have what? We can use 2e. You open a bracket. Now, 4e squared divided by 2e will give us what? 2e. If you say 4e squared divided by 2e, you have 2e. Minus 10e divided by 2e, you have 5. You close the bracket. Now, what are the factors? Let's take it in twos. We have, let's say, we have minus 5. Open a bracket. Now, 10e, this minus 10e divided by minus 5, that will give us what? 2e. Now, 25 divided by minus 5 will give us what? Minus 5 is equal to what? Is equal to 0. Now, let's take what is inside. 2e minus 5, 2e minus 5. We'll take 1. These two, they are common, so we'll write it. 2e minus 5. You close the bracket. Then you say, take these two, open a bracket, 2e minus 5. You take this. Close the bracket. Is equal to what? 0. Now, since we have this, we'll say 2e minus 5 is equal to 0. Now, collect like terms. 2e is equal to 0. This minus 5 comes to this side. It becomes plus 5. 2e is equal to 5. Divide both sides by 2. The coefficient of e. Divide this side by 2. Divide this side by 2. 2 here 1. 2 here 1. You are left with e is equal to what? 5 over 2. Or what? 2.5. Now go to this. You get the same thing. 2e minus 5 is equal to what? 0. 2e is equal to 0. If this minus 5, it becomes plus 5. Then you have 2e is equal to 5. E is equal to 5 over 2. E is equal to what? 2.5. Thank you.